Good morning, everyone. It is the 9th of December on a Friday. The last class that we had was actually on a Tuesday on the 6th of December. But as you can see on the schedule, that was on demand. And I hope you remembered that you had your homework from last week for chapter 10 and the homework submission number 5 for chapter 10, and you had your reflection. But this week, we're back in the classroom, and because we are now in class 9, we're now in the last half of the class, and that means that you have to get started for your speaking test. This is the same speaking test that I wanted to do last semester. Last semester, because of the coronavirus, we weren't able to do the speaking test, but I think this year will be okay. So we're going to start concentrating on that. There are still a few things that I need to teach you for your written test. We're going to be using that as a warm-up, and then maybe in the last 20 minutes or so, start working on being able to have more natural conversations. The assignments this week, there were 3. Okay, at the top one, your listening quiz for gentle education. You have another homework submission for chapter 10, and the usual reflection exercise. And the reflection exercise is about the course. How do you assess the course so far? What suggestions do you have for improving it? That will be for tonight at 11 p.m. So basically nothing too special, except maybe the listening quiz, but this is your second listening quiz, so you've done these before. It shouldn't be much of a problem. If you do have any questions, if you do have any problems, please make sure that you come to me during the class, or you contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com and ask me any questions that you have. Otherwise, let's have a good class today. Please make sure that you sign your name as well, too. Okay, thanks very much.